Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use GetResponse for email marketing. First, you'll want to create your free GetResponse account. This simple process involves providing some basic information and verifying your email address. Once your account is active, take a moment to explore the intuitive dashboard. It's designed to give you quick access to all the essential tools you'll need to start building your email campaigns effectively. Next, let's focus on building your audience. Navigate to the Contacts section to create your first email list. You can easily import existing contacts from a file or add them manually. GetResponse also allows you to segment your lists, which is crucial for sending targeted messages and ensuring your emails reach the right people. This helps improve engagement and the overall effectiveness of your campaigns. Now for the creative part, designing your email campaigns. GetResponse offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop editor, making it simple to craft visually appealing emails. You can select from over 150 professional templates or start from scratch. Remember to personalize your content to resonate with your audience, which can significantly boost your open and click-through rates. Finally, let's talk about automating and optimizing your email marketing efforts. GetResponse allows you to set up autoresponders to send automated email sequences, nurturing your leads over time. You can track key metrics like open rates and click-throughs through detailed reports. Additionally, /B testing different elements of your emails helps you continuously improve performance and achieve better results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.